The holiday season is here. Time to make some homemade cranberry sauce. First, grab a saute pan, turn your burner on high, and add a half a cup of orange juice to the pan. Next, add 1 cup of Vermont's finest maple syrup. Make sure to get every last drop. Now, add 1/4 of a teaspoon of ground ginger and whisk that together. We have 1 pound of fresh cranberries standing by. They've been washed with cold water and any wrinkled or broken cranberries have been discarded. Don't forget, if you like this video and want to learn more recipes and techniques with Chef Nick, hit the like and subscribe buttons. Now we're waiting for the mixture to slowly come to a simmer before we add our cranberries. Now that it's slowly simmering, we're going to swirl the pan just a little bit and add the cranberries. Remember, the flame is on high and we're going to stir periodically with a rubber spatula. Just be careful, the cranberries can pop and cause a splatter, burning you, so please be careful. You do not want to cook the cranberry sauce for more than approximately 12 minutes. Cranberries contain something called pectin. Pectin is going to be the thickening agent for the sauce, so you don't want to overcook it or it will not come out properly. Keep stirring periodically with your rubber spatula as you see it's becoming nice and vigorously boiled right now. This is a good time to keep stirring it as it will scorch the pan and burn your product, which you do not want. So after about 10 or 12 minutes of cooking, it's going to reduce down and thicken real nice from the natural pectin that's in the cranberries to a consistency like so. Beautiful texture. Nice and thick, which will thicken up more in the refrigerator. And you're going to want to turn your heat off now and transfer it to a container. The last ingredient that will be added is vanilla, but you do not want to add that now as vanilla is alcohol based and will cook off in anything over 150 degrees. I like to put my mixture in the refrigerator until it cools down below 150 before adding the vanilla. Now that the mixture is below 150 degrees, we're going to add 1/4 of a teaspoon of vanilla extract and a pinch of salt, maybe about 1/8 of a teaspoon to be exact. Mix that up real nice. Look at that nice, fresh, delicious cranberry sauce. Would you prefer fresh ingredients or canned cranberry sauce with tons of high fructose corn syrup? I prefer the fresh ingredients in my homemade cranberry sauce. Oh yeah, that's the stuff.